Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB for a tune-up report on the General HP40W. This is for Kyle, who lives in New York. Kyle, on this watt meter I've got 10 watts dialed up across the top. Oops. Let me put it on 100 across the top. You'll see it come in just a touch over 30. And if I turn it now back to the 10 watt scale, put my power in low, you see about 4 watts. Put the power back 30-ish, and on the 250 watt meter, this is a peak reading meter, 100, 150, 200. We're going to be just a touch over the 100 mark here.
Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio.
Okay. And on the air.
And one more time, I'll try for a radio check while they all quiet down. Come on.
I asked if you got a radio check.
What's your handle there?
Shoestring.
Team Board, Shoestring. I heard you the last couple of days. Appreciate you coming back to me. I'm not one of those get a radio check all the time, guys. It's a different radio every time, I promise.
I need to get me a different radio. I want to get me one of those Connex HPs.
Team Board, this is a General HP40, Roger.
Yeah, I've been using this. So I bought a 20 iron LTD Classic like 3 years ago. Been using it. It's worked good, but you only get so far.
Okay, well, that's a good radio. You sound good.
Alright, 10-4, thank you.
Take care, bye-bye.